I started buying property back in 2005 with my brother. We both bought some properties up there, and I only just recently had to sell them. Like we lost 60,000, you know what I mean? That's how bad the values went there, and that was happening for years. And then in 2019 when we joined, we bought a couple of properties with Teach Me About Property, and then after I think it was the third one, we decided to bite the bullet and build. And then I finally brought her in with Teach Me About Property, and man, should have brought her in years ago. And we just have to do exactly what Massey said about the TMAP two-step, buy what you can afford now to get what you want later. Hopefully with the ATM we just built and the house that's getting built like our own occupier, man, the equity in those properties now is crazy, so we can just keep rolling on and rolling on.